Hi, it's Peter here from Coachwood Nursery and Organics on the central coast of New South Wales. I'd like to talk to you about the Cannaceae, which is sometimes called arrowroot. Now, arrowroot is a broad term that can mean 4 or 5 different things. The arrowroot powder that you buy in the shops is a different plant. It's called Maranta, the traditional arrowroot, but this is also called arrowroot because it's a root crop and it's native to the subtropics and tropics. So it's a general term that means a root crop, and this is Cannaceae. Now, most people know the canna. It has different sorts of coloured flowers. You see them growing in botanical gardens quite often. They're a big leafy thing like this. This one at the back is the common canna, which has this flower, has a narrow leaf. This one, the edible one, Cannaceae, has a much broader leaf and has a red flower. We don't often see them flower here, but sometimes we do because they need a long, warm growing season. They're more subtropical. But it has a great edible root. It's a very good starch crop. And I'll just dig one out and show you. The roots have a lovely red colour. I'll just dig it up like that. They break out quite easily. And give them a shake. And you'll see these little bulbs that come off the root. They're the bits that you eat. You can either regrow them again next year or eat them. So it's a lovely sort of a red tip on it. That's a new shoot that's about to come out. You'd break that off, peel it, and you see it's got this lovely white flesh. Quite delicious to eat. It's a good starch supply or carbohydrate supply. Cannaceae. Arrowroot, very easy to grow. Quite an ornamental plant. It forms a nice sort of a leafy, about a 2 metre high, lovely leafy green. And if you want to see it growing or get some corms, you can come to Coachwood Nursery. Just have a look at our website. We have open days, and we open on the Harvest Festival as well on the June long weekend. So have a look at the website. You can come and have a look at this growing and even buy a few to plant yourself. Thank you.